Okay, so for our next instalment, I'm doing the steering head bearings on the Benelli TNT 125, aka the Swamp Donkey. First off, I'll say it's an absolute nightmare to get to these. Like, how much has had to come off wheel front. I mean, most of the bolts, despite how I use them, apart from one bolt, played silly buggers, which had to be cut, but we'll get that out. Forks are okay, just need a bit of a tidy up. But the main job, yeah, to do these steering head bearings, what's inside. They do not feel very good, at all. And let's have a look. I've had a quick look, so main bolts, up on left nut, black nut. So I've already loosened all this off, so let's have a look inside. But while I'm doing this, it's been a huge job. You've got to take the whole front end off, get the forks out, mud guard off, wheel off. I mean, if I was doing one of them, like steering head bearings on this, I just have to disassemble all that, bottom end, slide the forks down, it all comes off there. I've not got to take any of this off. Whereas on the Benelli, it all had to come off. Italians, well, designed by Italian, made by Chinese, I say no more. Finally off. Get the dust seal. Okay. As I said, I know these bearings are pretty much buggered. There we go. Just look at that, how dirty that is. Before anyone says anything, this bike was submerged in slurry at one point, hence why she's on a second engine. And I think some of it's got in here as well, because yeah, it's just so dirty. We'll drop the yoke now. There's nothing holding it in really, so let's drop that down. Down she comes, but oh, there again, same, going to the light. I mean, they don't look too bad, but they're just incredibly covered in dirt or grease, slurry. The whole thing's going to need cleaned out. That's that bit. The thing again is our outer race. That's a light. Yeah, in there it is just covered in crud, dirt. I mean, they're not. Well, actually, yeah, you can feel it when you what's so long, finger long, you can see the notches. These will definitely have to be replaced. Let me get this one out. It's like something I dug up from the mines. When I do underground, I find something it's like the same thing I dug up. It is just absolutely disgusting. You can see him in there. Just a case of finding these. The actual Benelli website want a fortune for these, but if you look in other places, you can get them cheap. But I can't get them in this country, so with them now in my hand, I've got to get that bit out as well. We can do some searching for them, but absolutely disgusting. As I was saying a minute ago, about 1,000 miles in, I was riding this bike doing an off-roading and thought I'd be a silly sod and try riding it through some water. Well, I wouldn't say water, I'd say more like pig slurry, but killed an engine, had to replace an engine, and it looks like it got elsewhere as well. So yes, we'll be replacing all this. I mean, I might give it a clean down, put it back together and see how we go, but it's absolutely disgusting in there. Yeah, just not pretty. So we'll get these replaced.